Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Kik app. You will go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we can search about Kik and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. You will go to Play Store. You will search about Kik app here. And then we can update your app if you find updating this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time.